Today we've got something really cool to show you. Literally, really cool. This is the 37-quart refrigerator freezer from BougeRV. Now, when I say refrigerator freezer, I don't mean it's either a refrigerator or a freezer. This thing is supposed to be able to do both. This is a dual compartment unit that can be used as a fridge on one side and a freezer on the other, or a refrigerator on both sides, or a freezer on both sides. And the big thing is it just freaking works. It will cool on both sides, it'll freeze on both sides, it'll freeze on one, cool on the other. And this is really gonna make the camping experience a whole lot easier. Dang, that's cold. So if you want to be popular with your family, get a BougeRV refrigerator and you'll be the crap.
Yeah.